predictive typing. So you might be used to doing predictive typing on a cell phone, but I'm going to show you how to put predictive typing on your computer, and this is really useful for any students that may have challenges when they're typing in terms of spelling or just in terms of figuring out the phonemes and then the graphemes that they're trying to use. So very easy to do. If you hover over the Microsoft button, you right click and then you go to settings, and you'll see a whole host of different things. You're going to click on devices, then you're going to go down to typing. You're going to go down, and you see here it says hardware keyboard. Text suggestions for hardware keyboards are only available in English. That's fine. So I'm going to put it on. Okay. So now, anytime I type, it's going to give me predictions. So if we go to Microsoft Word, you can see now here it gives me options. This isn't the best. So students actually have a selection of words, and as they start to type it, it will even give some options as they're typing it, which is great for, especially for students that, like I said, are struggling to spell. Just makes things a little bit simpler. So it's in settings, and then it's basically one of the hardware options that you can do. And you can always go and then you can turn it off if it's frustrating students. So just that option there. A really useful little tool for any time anyone's working on writing and word processing.